Hey guys, welcome to the video tutorial for AutoReply. When you first launch the app, you might get a little pop-up here that says, the app doesn't have certain permissions. Just tap on it and it'll open up the application permissions. You want to make sure that all three of these permissions are on, otherwise you might have issues and the app might not work properly. What you need is the contacts permission for the app to be able to open up the contact picker, so you can pick certain users that you want to exclude or include in the AutoReply. And these last two are actually used for monitoring purposes for the app to be able to monitor those mailboxes so that it can reply to the incoming messages when they come in. So you want to make sure you have all three of those on. Otherwise, every time you open it, you might get this pop-up that keeps coming up. Now you can get rid of it by just double tapping on it, and that should just get rid of that pop-up every single time if it annoys you too much. Just be aware though that if you keep any of these permissions off, then it'll always it'll actually complain using that, and the app might not work properly. So anyways, jumping right into the app, this is the basic gist of the app. So you have the main text box here where you put in the auto reply message. So, by default, let's just say, I am outside, I will reply later. And all that's going to say is anytime a new message comes in, the app will automatically reply using this message right here. The accounts tab, this is all the different accounts that the app is going to be monitoring for messages. Anytime a message comes into any of these accounts, immediately the app is going to reply using this specific message that you sent it. Now, by the way, you can actually add templates here to change that message. So, you can add a new template. Let's just say, I am driving right now. So driving, and then you can name that drive, let's say. You can have another one. Let's just say, I am outside, and then you can say out. And basically, as you tap on it, it'll actually just replace the text with the appropriate template value. And this is, you can set up some templates. This way it's much faster for you to be able to turn these things on. You can delete a template by pressing and holding on it in the menu using delete, and that'll get rid of it. You can also get rid of all the templates by clicking on clear list here at the bottom, and that should get rid of everything. So that's the basic idea up there. And then let's go to the contacts tab here. And basically this is all the different, you can go to contact and add contact. And let's just say we select this one. Basically what this is now saying is that the app will only reply to this specific address and none of the other ones. So if anybody else sends you a message while you have the app activated, it will not reply to any address except this specific one. So this sender, it'll auto reply, but everybody else it won't auto reply to. If you flip the switch to reply to all except, that means it'll reply to everybody. Yeah, the app will reply to anybody who sends a message to that specific mailbox, any of these two mailboxes, but not this one. So if this specific address emails you, then it will not reply, but anybody else that does, it will reply. So let's go ahead and give the app a test run here. Open up the app here. So it's prayers. Is the email address being monitored? Hello, hi, and we send that message out. So the app should now receive it. And it should automatically, as you can see, it auto-reply to it. If you tap on it, there it is. That's the reply. That was the message that was replied to. If you check your hub, you should see that message. See, I am driving, replied. And hopefully, if we reload here, we should be able to see that message unless it was. So right here. Here it is. That's where the message that was replied to. So that's the basic idea of the app. You have your account set up, and it'll just reply to the messages when they come in. You can also swipe down from the top. You have your help here, and you can contact us at this email address here. You can contact our development team by going to our BBM channel and starting a chat with any of our developers. You can also swipe down, and you have your settings. In the settings, here's some of the basic settings here. You have the allow grace period, and this is simply if the same person, let's just say, sends you 5 different messages within, 2 minutes. You don't want to send an auto reply for every single one of these messages. They'll get the idea after the first one that you're not near your phone. So if you turn on allow grace period, that means the app will actually give you a 10-minute grace period up until it replies to up until it sends another auto reply to that person. And this is especially useful if two different people have auto reply running the auto reply app. You can imagine that, if one sends a message, auto reply message to one of these devices, the other one's going to reply back, and this might go back and forth all the time. So to get around that, you can turn, you want to make sure you have this allow grace period thing on. Blink LED is for that blue LED light that keeps flashing. If you want, you can turn that off, and that blue LED just gives you a nice indication that the app is active and it's currently going to be replying. Then you have a pen signature, which is simply at the end of the message, there's going to be an auto reply for BB10 that's going to be appended. You can get rid of that by unchecking that. And that's basically the idea of the app. There's really not much more to it. You can go to bug reports if you wanted to send any bugs to us. You can hit submit logs, or you can see the existing bugs and feature work that's being currently worked on. And that's really it. If you have any other questions, do hit us up on our support at canadainc.org, or just hit us up on our BBM channel, and we'll be more than happy to help you out. We do encourage you to review the app. If you like the app, please leave us a positive review. And that's really it. If you have any other questions, please reach out to us. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Thank you again. Take care. Bye.